This is a quick tutorial of Clever. It automatically opens when the kids open their Chromebooks, but if it doesn't automatically open, it's right here. It's clever.com/in/Bellingham. Really, all that matters is when they get to this page, make sure that it says contact D. Conroy. That would be Mrs. Conroy, who works for our district, and then just log in with Google. Automatically logs them in, and then this is their home page. Their Clever page. So now that we're logged in, you can see that some students will favorite some resources, so ones that they use on the regular basis, so they pop up right on their homepage. DJ uses SchoolBrains all the time, so he's favorited that one. Underneath there, you're going to see teacher pages. So these are all of your students' teachers. So I'm going to go into my page. But underneath there is the BPS link. So these are the ones that we use as a district. So this takes them to the Bellingham Public Schools homepage, their SchoolBrains, Google Classroom, and then ones that we use on a regular basis are iReady and McGraw-Hill. So we'll go back to those in a minute. So if I go into my teacher page, mine is set up so I have our regular use websites. These are ones that we use at least 3 times a week, if not every day. They're pretty standard. So our digital homework agenda, Google Classroom, DocHub, where we edit our PDFs, Quizlet, which is where all of our vocab is, Edpuzzle, which is where we do kind of our video answering questions, and then Zora, where the kids can access online books for reading, for pleasure, and then resources for success. So these are ones that they won't use all the time, but are there for them in case they need it. So a multiplication chart, a how-to if they're struggling with connecting DocHub and Google Classroom. And then let's have some fun. So these are ones that we use for games, obviously. Blue Kit, Prodigy, Voting Link. And then I just add as we need them. So as we're coming across things, if there are things that I know they need, I'll add them here. So this Clever website is a great place for just a one-stop shop for all of the websites that we use, and any that are signed in with Google, it automatically signs the kids in. So if I go back to the main page, the one other thing I wanted to show you on here since we're here is the McGraw-Hill. So this is where the kids get all of their textbooks. So they sign into McGraw-Hill. Clever automatically loads it for them. Ta-da! Okay, so once it's finally loaded, the big thing, you're going to see their science, geo, and world history, I guess. But what's really important is they have to change it. It has to go to 6-7. We're still working on merging these. We're not sure why they ever got separated. But they go to 6-7 and everything is here. So their English book is here. Their math book is here. Our Alex that we do 3 days a week is here. Science book, geo. So it's literally all here. You can't miss it. So for example, for science, they can click in and they actually have access to an ebook right here. So they can click on the ebook and it works just like the regular book. I personally like the ebooks just because they'll read to you.
Solar eclipses. As the sun shines on the moon,
There you
the
go.
moon.
So yeah, so those are great. So that's just a quick tutorial of Clever so you can see where all of the kids' resources are.